error, courtesy of JD Marvelous. Now on deck is the Red Deck Rockets. Now serving, Kix Tolentino. What it is! Lumulukot na po ang kanilang ace player. Now serving, Kix. Nireceive ni Marvin Sinet ng import nila. Pinalo ni Choco. May cover pero wala. This matchup is very interesting. Ang neck red Rockets, nilaban talaga nila from being the bottom, naging top seed. Hey! Walang receive ang JT Marvelous. Laban ng tono ang dalawang Ateneo setters. Sinet ni Aldrich, pinalo, wala. If that scratches the line. Now serving, one serving 4. Ang JT Marvelous, meron silang import galing pa sa Olympics 1975. That was a costly error from Julia Clarete. What a service ace from Choco Mucho. Serving 4. Hahabulin kaya ni Mike. Anong gagawin ni Aldrich? Free ball. Anong gagawin ng JT Marvelous? Select sa open. Papaluin. Nadig. Kanina. Ay, second referee na nung judgment mo. Kanina. Oh. What a trick! That was a veteran move from the oldest player of JT Marvelous. Guevara Ana Lupot is already 77 years old. Isisend sa 4, pinalo. Biyabon balik. Anong gagawin ni Teo? Dadalhin niya sa net. Very good. Now serving. From Ateneo de Manila College. Ay, ni-receive ni Bacangke. Na-block. Kinover. Sinet. Nag-adjust. Anong gagawin ng JT Marvelous? One, a nice net block. 6, serving 4. Talaga nang lalaban sila para sa 50 pesos. Tignan nga natin. Oh! Nice one! Yan ang import nila galing sa Timor-Leste. Still serving from Cuba. Nice one. Walang receive yun. Nag-adjust. Umulit. Anong gagawin? Pinalo ni Jao. Okay. Ito na ang import nila from the South Sudan Spikers. What a drop! That was a bomb from our former President, Rod Duterte. Hindi lang pala war on drugs ang alam, eh, Duterte. It was a nice intention, but poorly executed. 9 serving 5. Outside from Rod Duterte. Now serving is from Olympics 1959, best server, Guevara Ana Laput, who has been married 47 times. Oh, what a collision by Choco and Guevara. Well, okay, check. Okay, ibibigay natin yun, pero time out muna. Lumabas ang ribs ni Guevara Ana Lapo. Ayan, no? Medyo fragile na kasi ang mga buto ni Guevara. Medyo fragile na siya, guys. Tandaan nyo, naglaro pa yan sa Olympics 1959. Kung sa kanila ba, di ba? Na-check ball, tama? O, dead ball, sabi nyo. O, dead ball na lang. Di kasi down yung ka-team nyo. Wala kayong sympathy, walang compassion, walang teamwork. Now serving. Ayan, no? Mukhang naka-align na ang ribs ni Guevara. In. Mag-out ka pa, Jao, ha? Mukhang lumaka si Guevara Ana Lapat after that incident. What if banggain siya every now and then? Now serving from Kazakhstan. Ay! Oh, what a save. Pinalo. Nice one! Now on that is Jao Umandal. Pinapalo si Romel. Ay, pinarol niya. Si Net sa open. Walang check. Check sa net. Now serving from the Angel Bullpups. Ay, the net. Mukhang mahahabol pa ang JT Marvelous. Hey! Walang time up there. We have a sudden change of lead. Na-receive ni Julia. Si Net sa open. Papalo ang open! Nakuha ni Romel. Papapaluin ang open. Pero binigay ng free ball. Sayang. Anong gagawin? Papapaluin sa likod. That was a nice attack. And now serving from De La Salle, Cavite. Sorry. Ay, ano gagawin? Oh. Eh, wala. Now we are at deadlock. 12 all. Sino ang mag-uwi ng 50 pesos? What a nice price, Charis. Okay, okay. Ano gagawin? Okay, check mo. Eh, naglupong-lupong sila sa gitna. Merong waring spotlight sa gitna. Okay, now serving from Casino Philippines. Teo, good job. Nireceive ni Mike, si-send ni Aldrich, pinapalo ni Kicks. Pero na-block shot over, good ball. O, anong gagawin? Oo nga, good nga din sa kanila na. Wala naman ako sinasabi. Now, mukhang nagka-crumble na ang ating Redneck Rockets. Eh, sunod-sunod ang kanilang misreceive. Misreceive nga ba o yung talaga ang performance nila? Wala na tayong oras. Overtime na tayo sa Channel 5. Tinarget pa rin, okay, pero makapapas. Hey! Now we are starting to see the meltdown of Redneck Rockets. Huwag nyo naman payagan mag 3 weeks na champion si Romel. Wala! Ayaw bumitaw ni Julia Clarete. Huwag nyo naman back to back si Romel. 3 weeks na siyang champion if ever, oh. Naka-ROI na siya. Ay, umang-attitude na boss ang ating Buena. Inyo. Now serving. The rookie of JT Marvelous. Din. Ay Jaja Colt. Mapapasok kaya ni Jaja Colt? Okay. Ino sa open. What a dig. Eh, mga binibenta ng import setter. I think, binibenta ng import setter. Now serving, Kicks Tolentino. Dalawa na lang ang hinahabol ng Redneck Rockets. Ay. Kuya Neil, Dax ba? Dax ba? Oh my God! Saan patingin? Now serving, Julia Coronel. Ayaw bumitaw ni Olympian. Ayaw bumitaw ng import ng JT Marvelous galing Timor-Leste. Now serving from South Sudan. Out, in. Inside, in. Okay, dalawa na lang ang hinahabol ng Redneck Rockets. Now serving, Ron. Okay, nice receive. Binigay sa open, outside. Check kay Momri. Ba't kasi nag-copa na? 2019. Isa na lang ang hinahabol ng Redneck Rockets. Nice receive. Hey! Mukhang nababasa na mga palo ng ating Olympic player. Let's go! From almost first bus to championship. Hey! Now serving, Guevara Ana Labo. Ana lukot pa. What a nice sungkit! Mukhang deadlock na naman tayo. Nagbibigay na naman po ng motivation ng pinakamatandang player ng JT Marvelous, si Guevara Ana Lukot. Nice one, Choco. Laking pichi-pichi. 23 serving 21. Outside. 24 serving 21. Kung ako kay Brian, hindi ako effort kasi ako mag-champion lang kayo, hindi siya counted. Kalma lang. 25 serving 21. Wow! Net. Actually si Teo. Actually si Teo yung net. Ba't kagalit? Nangaaway ng referee? So, Now serving. Nice receive. Ay, magdalawang set. Now we are at 22 serving 26. On the service line is Michael De Mesa. Oh, nice miss. Yes, Choco. Ay, nakulay ng... Beno ko sa camera yon, ikapato yun. End of the line. Hahabol kaya ang Red Net Rockets or ito na ba ang spark plug na kailangan ng Net Rockets? Inargahan yung service, pero nalisip na rin. Now we are back at 4:28-24. We are at 28-25. Now serving. Makakahabol kaya. And it seems like the Net Rockets are giving up. Now serving. Choco. Mucho. Nareceive ni Kicks. Pinalo ni Jao. Check ball kay Jao. Extend po tayo hanggang 35. Ay. Ayaw pa rin bumitaw ni Jao umandal. Now we are at 30-26.